Here we have a product, so it doesn't look like substitution is going to help because the derivative of this is not that, and the derivative of this is not that. So we can use integration by parts. So when you have two things multiplied, you'd use integration by parts. But it looks like I'm going to have to use integration by parts twice, because the first time I'll differentiate this and I'll get 2x, but I'll still have to differentiate it again to get 2. So it'll be slightly long, but not difficult. So if I choose this as my u and use integration by parts twice, so integration by parts. So as long as you can keep track of what you're doing, it shouldn't be difficult. So u du and then v or dv v. So x squared and e to the 3x. The first one we differentiate, the second we integrate. So x squared becomes 2x, e to the 3x becomes e to the 3x over 3. So integration by parts, remember the formula. It's the integration of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. So it's like the integral of these two multiplied equals the product of these two minus the integral of the product of these two. So your answer at this stage will be x squared times e to the 3x over 3 minus the integral of these two. So that'll be 2x times e to the 3x over 3 dx. So that's not a problem. This looks like it's going to be a problem again. So we're going to have to integrate by parts again. First thing I'll do is just, okay, so again, I'll choose this to be my u. I'll choose a different color this time, and I'll just do it again. So I'll say u equals 2x, du equals 2, and then dv equals e to the 3x over 3 v. Now we're integrating, so it'll be e to the 3x over 9, because we're dividing by 3, and there's already a 3, so you get 9. So using the same formula, it's going to be this multiplied by this minus the integral of these two. So if I write the whole expression from the beginning, we need to include this. This is still part of the answer. So the answer is x squared e to the 3x over 3 minus, open brackets, this integration, which is integration by parts, uv. So that's 2x times e to the 3x over 9 minus the integral of this times this. So 2 times e to the 3x over 9 dx. Okay. So this part, the bit between brackets, let me put that in a different color. That is my integration by parts. So that, if you like, is this bit. And that minus sign is that minus sign. And that's why I've used brackets, because the minus sign has to operate on both terms. But we still haven't finished. We still need to integrate this. But luckily, this is now an easy integration because it's just e to the 3x, and this is a constant. That's a constant. So I'm going to now open up the brackets and integrate all in one. No, I won't. I'll open the brackets first. So that's 1 over 3 x squared e to the 3x minus 2 over 9 x e to the 3x minus minus is plus the integral. Actually, I'll put the constant outside the integral. E to the 3x dx. Okay, now this is just e to the 3x over 3. So I can just do that. And this will be, I'll use a different color, e to the 3x over 3 plus constant. So your final answer will just be multiplying 9 times 3 is 27. And that's it. That's basically your final answer.